Tonight's dinner, leftovers. On the weekend, namely Saturday evening, I went to Cousins Seafood and Clam Bar. Yeah, very good food. And so I had leftovers. My mother got the whole fried red snapper. This is the leftover of that. Yes, it's a snapper head, but there's a lot of meat on the head. I'll show you in a minute. And then I got the whole grilled Bronzino fish with the head on, of course. It's about to go down. Frank's red hot sauce. I put that on everything. Oh yes, yes ma'am. Now, Bronzino is a very meaty fish, very fresh fish. It has a lot of bones, but it's also good, so very good. Take your time when eating it because there's a lot of bones. Exhibit A. Good stuff. Very good. Put some hot sauce on my Bronzino, baby. Notice it's good to me. The red snapper is a very good fish, and it's also very bony, but it's so good. It's actually meatier than the Bronzino. Hello, fish. Y'all don't know? The meat is around the jaw. Around the jaw and on the side of the head. Look at this. See? There is meat there. But like the Bronzino, it has a lot of bones, just not as many. But it's so good. There's meat behind the eye. Yeah, buddy, there it is. Get back up here. And the skin is nice and crunchy. Very good to me. Right around that jawbone is more meat. Something's missing. Some more hot sauce. That's what's missing. Make sure I ain't leave no meat on here. Hold on 1 second. The red snapper is a very good grilled fish as well. Well, it's good fried or grilled. And the skin is so crunchy. It's a mouthful of joy. Yes, ma'am. They put a hurting on this fish. You hear me? A little more hot sauce. Get a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Mm-hmm. There you go. Cartilage. You don't want that. Mm-hmm. Just work your way from the bottom all the way up. A little more hot sauce on there. Yes, man. Take your time because there's a lot of bones in it. See? Now for the good part. Mm-hmm. You miss your little home in the sea? Yes, I do. Got another home in my belly. There we go. Look at that meat right here in the jaw. From your jaw to my jaw. How you doing? Love the crisp on the skin. It's beautiful. They grilled the devil out of this fish. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Well, I'm so glad we had this time together. And that is how you eat fish. So, do this. Do this right here. Yeah.